Hi everyone, my name is Megan Stackhouse, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office here in Grand Junction, Colorado. And we're back today to talk about the November 2020 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. So jumping right in, our top weather story of the month was the containment of the Middle Fork wildfire. The Middle Fork fire began on September 6th due to lightning about 10 miles north of the Steamboat Springs area. This fire was finally able to be contained on November 17th after receiving consistent snowfall. But before it was contained, this fire grew to 20,517 acres. Looking at temperatures across the region for the month of November, high temperatures were generally in the mid-60s to low 70s across the region, with the warmest temperature of 73 degrees being recorded at the Cortez Airport on November 5th. Aspen was the coldest high temperature, with a high temperature of 65 degrees again on the 5th. Both Grand Junction and Canyonlands, we topped out at 72 degrees for the month of November. Looking at low temperatures across the region for the month of November, low temperatures were generally in the single digits to the mid-teens across the region. The coldest temperature was 0 degrees at the Craig Airport on November 27th. Montrose was the most mild with 17 degrees on the 30th. Grand Junction, we bottomed out at 16, and both the Canyonlands and Durango airports bottomed out at 10 degrees. Looking at precipitation, unfortunately, 9 out of 10 of our climate sites ended the month with below normal precipitation. The least amount of precipitation fell at the Grand Junction Airport with only 0.11 inches, which was just over 0.6 of an inch below normal. The most amount of precipitation fell at the Durango Airport with 1.24 inches, which was just over 0.4 of an inch below normal. The Vernal Airport was the one airport that did receive above normal precipitation with 0.65 inches, which was 0.06 inches above normal for the month of November. Looking at the latest state of the drought, unfortunately, with the continued below normal precipitation, we did see the drought persist across the region with the extreme to exceptional drought across much of the region. The exceptional drought also did continue to expand in portions of southeast Utah and southwest Colorado. And there is still a very small sliver of the severe drought persisting in far northeast Utah. Unfortunately, the outlook for the month of December is that the drought is expected to persist. Looking at the latest state of the snowpack as of yesterday, December 3rd. So right now, eastern Utah, they are currently at 50 to 60% of normal. And western Colorado, our basins are generally 60 to 80% of normal for this time of year. And finally, looking at the Climate Prediction Center's 1 month outlook for the month of December. Right now, odds are favoring above normal temperatures for eastern Utah and western Colorado, with below normal precipitation being favored as well. And that wraps up our November 2020 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you all next month. Bye, guys.